Let me in the fucking car, man. I can't. There's no fucking way I actually got away.
I don't care, I'm driving unregistered. Oh god, there's a crosswind! Hello, sir! Oh.
Hey, Lua, limp it back down the hill.
Alright, Evo, it's just me and you.
Alright, here we go.
Oh my god.
It's struggling! It's struggling! I can't! Come on!
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
This is hilarious! Oh, sorry! Sorry, fans. I'm not breaking any laws.
Where
am
the
I?
fuck am I?
No, you're not. Actually, you might be impeding traffic.
Hey, you fucking!
Sorry, this car is a very temperamental clutch.
No, you fucking.
Stupid guy!
I cannot find myself at the map.
You piece of shit! What the fuck?
No, not the asset, no! What is that piece of shit? What was? A Honda.
Honda WRV.
Overtake it, man.
Yeah.
God, solid line.
Hi, yeah, who cares? What they gonna do? Report to the police?
Oh my
He can't
god.
drive. Go faster, you piece of shit. He was spamming it.
Take the inside line.
Pull over, you fucking!
Oh god.
What is
Oh
it?
god,
He's
he has
blocking you.
exchange.
He's blocking you.
Oh god.
Uh oh.
It's a
About to
woman!
be an argument. It's a woman.
Ready? I'm trying! Come on, clutch kick!
Keep it flowing.
Come on! Yes! Stupid piece of shit in over! What the fuck? What's this shit?
Oh shit! Bro, if we get bugged in this shit box of a car, I swear to God. I don't think you can outrun anyone in this.
I can. It'll just take me
Absolutely
about 3
not.
years to outrun a cop.
We're like a whole family on the road together. It's fucking there, you fucking idiot! Oh my god, I'm getting cancer from it!
You good?
Are we good?
Guys, what's this? Fuck you!
You know what's lagging? Look at the Innova.
The fuck you done?
Go around her.
Evo!
Oh shit!
Holy shit!
Oh.
Ain't no way.
This is fucking...
Oh, there's a
Oh,
cop.
Oh, there's a cop! There's a cop! Shit!
Oh shit!
Shit! I fell!
I can't.
No way!
Oh, no way.
No way! 100!
Oh my god!
Just hit 140!
I like myself some Kentucky Fried Lesbians.
Oh! Bucket, please! Sir, wake up! I want bucket!
Slow down! Oh, damn!
Hairpin left. Caution, caution, caution. Meow.
Meow.
Oh shit!
Oh, damn.
The guy just said good work. Good work.
Oh, guys, there's a Fortuner that crashed.
Oh.
Oh, Ivo!
Oh shit!
Sorry.
It was instant.
That slow work.
Oh shit!
A family of
My
four
bed was
died.
handbrake.